Hi friends, I'm Tilak, your walking tech may be unique, and today we're going to see how to add more columns on your table in your Canva mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add more columns on the table, just going to show in this video. For that, first we're just going to insert a table here. So I just inserted a table here. So there is only 3 columns in this table, just need a more columns. So first you just need to select any cell of the column, then click on this 3 dot option. Now you have this pop up on the bottom, and here you just swipe down, you can find option called add columns. So you just need to click on this. So you can see the now I had a 1 column, there are total of 4 columns. I just need a 5 column. Click on this add column again. Now you can see there is a 5 column. This is how you just add more columns on your Canva mobile, on your table for your in the Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.